Imagine thinking about all the money you've ever made, spent, received as gifts, or got from jobs. Now, imagine adding all that money up over your entire life. The big question is, how much of that money do you still have left? For example, if you made $20,000 last year and you're now 25 years old, picture yourself at 18, receiving your first paycheck of $150. Add up all the money you've earned since then. It might be $200,000 or $350,000, or maybe more or less. But how much of that money do you still have? You might not have thought about it, but it's worth considering. The answer might surprise you. In just 1 year, an average person spends a lot on food, housing, transportation, and other essentials. Over a lifetime, that adds up to hundreds of thousands of dollars, not even counting the extra stuff like clothes, movies, and trips. So, here's the big question. Are you happy with how much money you have left after all that spending? If you're not feeling thrilled about it, it might be because you haven't mastered the rules of handling money well. In this video, I'm excited to share with you 25 fundamental principles about money that can significantly impact your financial well-being and help you lead a prosperous life. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly accumulate wealth while others struggle to make ends meet, understanding and mastering these money rules can make a huge difference. Stick around until the end, and I'll guide you through each rule so you can position yourself for financial success. Rule number 1: the more you learn, the more you earn. In today's competitive world, it's crucial to learn skills that add value to your life. Simply acquiring knowledge isn't enough, you need practical skills. Luckily, the internet offers many free courses on topics from basic computer science to advanced subjects like web design, business, accounting, or finance. Valuable books like The Richest Man in Babylon or Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill are also available online. Every experience is an opportunity for growth and learning. The more you expand your knowledge and skills, the better equipped you'll be to succeed financially. Rule number 2: money won't solve your insecurities. It's a tough truth, but money won't fix your insecurities. You might think buying fancy stuff will make you feel better, but it won't. Money can't buy self-esteem or happiness. If you always compare yourself to others and feel like you're not good enough, no amount of money will change that. The only way to tackle your insecurities is to face them head-on, accept yourself, and learn to love yourself. Otherwise, you'll keep chasing more stuff, hoping it'll fill the void, but it won't. Rule number 3: money is a game of life. Money is often likened to a game. No matter how much you save or invest, there's always more to gain and more to lose. It's a continuous cycle where the goalposts keep shifting. Even the richest people keep working. The good news is, money doesn't have to be a source of stress. With the right mindset, it can be enjoyable. Think of it as a challenge to conquer. By approaching it positively, managing finances can become a rewarding part of life's journey. Rule number 4: don't let anyone know you have money. In today's world, money often determines social status, and people like to brag about their earnings. However, it's crucial to keep your wealth private. If others know you have money, they might ask for favors or loans, and you could attract people who want to take advantage of you. Boasting about money can lead to problems and strain relationships. Instead, stay humble and appreciate what you have without drawing attention to it. This way, you can maintain better relationships and avoid the downsides of showing off your wealth. Rule number 5: invest time before investing money. Many believe that having money is the key to generating more wealth, but time can be even more valuable. Investing time in learning about personal finances, investments, and budgeting can yield significant returns. Understanding new investment opportunities can bolster your assets. While investing money makes sense in some situations, it's generally wise to invest time in learning before committing money to unfamiliar ventures. By prioritizing learning and understanding, you can make informed choices and safeguard your financial well-being. Rule number 6: money is a game. Think of money like a game. The more you play, the better you get. Money has its own set of rules. One basic rule is to save before you spend or invest. Once you understand the basics, you can figure out your strategy to win. Even if you're not great with money now, with practice and understanding the rules, you can improve your financial situation over time. Rule number 7, become friends with those who are making money. If you aim to make money, surround yourself with people who know how to do it. Building relationships with successful people in the financial world increases your chances of learning and achieving your own financial goals. Connect with individuals who have a good grasp of money matters. It could be the first step on your journey toward financial success. Rule number 8, the greatest creations of wealth occurred during crises. Economic crises like the Great Recession of 2008 bring challenges, but they also offer opportunities for those who know how to seize them. During a market crash, savvy investors can buy valuable assets at heavily discounted prices. By buying stocks or properties at their lowest, investors position themselves to reap substantial profits once the market rebounds. Crises bring hardship, but they also offer rewards for those prepared to capitalize on opportunities. Rule number 9, start saving little by little. Chris Raining, a renowned investor, achieved millionaire status and retired at 37 thanks to his saving habits. His advice is to start saving little by little. Focus on cutting out small expenses like that daily $5 coffee. Small changes to your spending habits can save time and money. Once you master reducing small expenses, larger changes to your spending habits won't seem as daunting. Start small and watch your savings grow over time. Rule number 10, control yourself. Managing personal finances isn't just about numbers, it's about self-control. Managing your emotions helps make better decisions with your money. For example, when scared, you might panic and sell all your stocks during a market crash. When greedy, you might buy overpriced stocks. The inability to control emotions often leads to problems. Stay calm and rational to make smarter financial choices and set yourself up for long-term success. Rule number 11, spend less than you earn. The golden rule of managing money is simple: spend less than you earn. Many people don't follow this rule and end up spending more than they make. Focus on finding the right balance between what you earn and what you spend to ensure financial stability and peace of mind. Rule number 12, as you get older, your expenses increase. As time goes on, your expenses tend to increase due to inflation or evolving tastes. Our desires and aspirations grow, and we work hard to earn more money to afford better things. However, if your expenses grow but your income doesn't keep pace, it can become challenging to make progress. Be mindful of your spending habits and take precautions to ensure financial stability. Rule number 13, do not fly first class. Spending thousands on first-class flights isn't always worth it. Imagine you travel 8 times a year, and each first-class flight costs $1,500. That's $12,000 a year. Instead, consider investing that money. Flying economy might be less luxurious, but you'll still reach your destination and save a significant amount. Rule number 14, study your politicians. Pay attention to your politicians' financial proposals. Understanding their financial plans is crucial. Your vote shouldn't just be based on party affiliation, it should consider the financial impact of a politician's policies. Study their financial proposals to be prepared for any changes and potentially save money in the long run. Rule number 15, wealth accumulates over time. Wealth doesn't happen overnight, it takes time and patience to build up. Consistency and perseverance are key. Start investing as soon as you can and let compounding work its magic over time. Be patient and consistent, and your wealth will grow gradually. Rule number 16, do not let your money get bored. Money is like a muscle, it needs to be exercised regularly to stay strong. Leaving your money idle loses its value over time due to inflation. Instead, divide your money, set aside some for emergencies, and invest the rest. Protect your money from losing value and potentially make more money. Rule number 17, focus on your finances. Don't compare yourself to others, especially when it comes to finances. Comparing yourself can lead to impulsive or unwise decisions. Focus on your own financial situation and what will help you achieve your goals. Everyone's financial journey is different, so make decisions that align with your own priorities and values. Rule number 18, money is neutral. Money itself isn't good or bad, it's a tool people use. The way people choose to use money determines whether it's used for good or bad. Money amplifies existing traits. If someone is kind and generous, having money allows them to do more good. If someone is selfish and greedy, having money can make those qualities worse. Money itself isn't the problem, it's how people choose to use it. Rule number 19, money flows towards those who know how to handle it. If you want to have money, create things people want to pay for. Money tends to flow from those who aren't good at managing it to those who are. Focus on creating something valuable that people are willing to pay for. That's the surest way to attract money. Rule number 20, prioritize investments in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. Whether through education, training programs, or personal development, improving your skills and knowledge can yield significant returns. Better job opportunities, higher earning potential, and personal growth are all possible outcomes of investing in yourself. Rule number 21, money creates more money. Money has the potential to create more money through investments, savings, and smart financial decisions. By investing wisely, you can grow your wealth over time. Letting your money work for you through various investment avenues is key to long-term financial success. Rule number 22, be careful with credit cards. Credit cards can be useful but also dangerous. Misusing them can lead to significant debt and financial strain. Pay off your credit card balances in full each month to avoid interest charges and debt accumulation. Use credit cards responsibly and only for what you can afford to pay off immediately. Rule number 23, be aware of lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation occurs when your spending increases as your income grows. As you earn more, resist the urge to increase your spending proportionally. Instead, maintain a modest lifestyle and save or invest the extra income. Avoiding lifestyle inflation ensures you can build wealth and achieve financial security over time. Rule number 24, avoid impulse purchases. Impulse purchases can drain your finances. Before buying something, take a moment to think about whether you truly need it or if it's an impulse decision. Creating a budget and sticking to it can help control impulse spending and keep your finances on track. Rule number 25, seek professional advice when needed. Financial matters can be complex, and seeking professional advice can provide valuable guidance. Financial advisors, accountants, and other experts can offer insights and strategies tailored to your specific situation. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice to make informed financial decisions and achieve your goals.